In this session, let's discuss some questions from infix to postfix conversion. So let's take the first question. So first one is a direct question. When an operand is read, which of the following is done? So we'll check the flowchart that we have prepared. So here it is saying that on scanning an operand, we'll output the symbol. Hence the answer is it is placed onto the output. So it is option A. We'll see the next question. What should be done when a left parenthesis is encountered? So this also we have seen it in the chart. Let's check the chart. So when you encounter a left parenthesis, we'll push the symbol. Push the symbol means we are pushing it into the stack, or we are placing it into the stack. So now let's check the options. It is option C. It is placed in the operator stack. Now the third question. Which of the following is an infix expression? Let's check the solution part. We know that an infix expression will be of the form operand, operator, operand. So no two operands will come together. If we consider the question, we'll start the options from the bottom one. So last option says A, B, C plus star. Here all the operands are together. So it is not an infix expression. Third option is plus AB. Here also operands are together. So it is also not a infix expression. Second one is A, B plus C star. Here also operands are coming together. So it is also not a infix expression. First one is A plus B star C plus D. Here if you see an operand, operator, operand. This side also operand, operator, operand. We consider this as expression 1. We will consider this as expression 2. In between these two expressions we have another operand. So in all these cases we have operator between operands. So therefore this is an infix expression. To remember here is in an infix expression no two operands will come together. So therefore answer is option A. Then what is a postfix expression for the corresponding infix expression? So here the infix expression is given. We need to convert it into its postfix form. So we have already learned how to do this with the help of a stack as well as without a stack. So let's see the solution. We'll solve it without using a stack. This is the final answer. AB star plus DE star plus. So the answer is option A. Fifth question. Parentheses are simply ignored in the conversion of infix to postfix expression. So what happens to the parentheses that we are seeing in the infix expression? Let's check the chart. Here if you see, if it is an opening parenthesis, we will push the symbol, and if it is a closing parenthesis, we will pop it until the opening parenthesis is seen. So now let's come back to the question. The statement in the question is parentheses are simply ignored in the conversion of infix to postfix expression. But we have seen that the parentheses are not simply ignored, but we are performing an action depending upon whether it is an opening parenthesis or closing parenthesis. And that action is performed, it can be push or pop. After performing the action, we will discard this parenthesis from the postfix expression. So the answer is B, false. The next question is a true or false question. So the statement is, it is easier for a computer to process a postfix expression than an infix expression. So what does the question says? The question says that computer finds it easy to process a postfix expression. And the answer to the question is yes, it is true. So why does the computer find it easier? So there are multiple reasons. So I would like to make another video on this, and the video link will be shared in the description box. So for now we can move on to the next question. So question number 7, it's again a conversion question. What is the postfix expression for the infix expression a minus b minus c? So let's solve it now. A minus b minus c. ab minus c. ab minus c minus is the answer. So how did we solve this? A minus b minus c. Those who didn't understand, I will just share the steps. So a minus b minus c, we have the operator minus. So both of these are of same precedence because both are the same operator. So we will check for the associativity rule. So minus is having associativity from left to right. So first consider the sub expression which lies to the left side. So leftmost minus means this is the sub expression. First solve this one. So this is ab minus. A minus b is postfix form is ab minus. So this is one operand now. And we have the remaining minus c. So this is again a simple expression of the form a minus b, which is nothing but ab minus. So write this portion as such ab minus. The second operand is c. We have the operator minus. The answer is option B. Next, the 8th question. Again we are given an infix expression. We have to do the postfix conversion. Let's start it. Here exponential operating is having higher precedence. So B, C star. Next is division operator. So A, B, C exponential operator divide this one minus D. So now A, B, C star slash D minus A. So this is the answer. Answer is option A. The 9th question. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to infix to postfix conversion algorithm? So now that we are familiar with the algorithm, we will take each of the statements and identify which among them is false. So we will write without looking into the chart. First option, operand is always placed in the output. So if the scanned input is an operand, we will output the symbol, right? Which means option A is true. Next is option B. Operator is placed in the stack when the stack operator has lower precedence, which means that if top of the stack is having lower precedence than the input, that is the condition, what would be the action be? We will push the symbol, right? So that is what is given in option B. Operator is placed in the stack, which means operator is pushed in the stack. So therefore option B is also true. Next is option C. Parentheses are included in the output. Here the output means it is the postfix expression. So parentheses will not be included in the postfix expression. So it is false. So the answer is option C. Option C is the incorrect statement. Let's see option D as well. Higher and equal priority operators follow the same condition, which is true. So here the answer is option C. And question is again a conversion question. Here infix expression is given. So let's convert it into postfix form. The precedence goes to the one in the brackets. So BC plus. Next, star and division have the same precedence. So we'll check for associativity. It is left to right. Therefore, we'll solve this first. Then comes slash D, which is A, B, C plus star D slash. Answer is option D, the last one.